the first of what should be many more campfire cookouts in with Eddie, my new EV camper. And yeah, it reminds me of my South African braais, including me burning the the braai meats. Anyhow, hopefully I was wanting to make sure I didn't undercook it, but hopefully it won't be undercooked underneath the charcoal when I peel it off. But yeah, I'm quite excited for this, even if I was initially intending to do it on my propane barbecue until I discovered I had the wrong hose attachment for the propane tank. But what will soon be yummy in my tummy. Okay, while it might be a bit charcoaled on the outside, it is cooked perfectly inside. So I'm a happy camper, literally.